Namaste everyone, this is Priya Chauhan and this is my channel The Young Guru. So today I thought to make a video on stress and depression because I was getting these requests and my friends and relatives, they were asking why don't you make something on depression, on how to manage stress. So I thought okay, let's just do it. In today's time, as we all can see, the situations are not very good. It is impacting so much to everyone. So the kind of a situation that is going outside, we all know that it is not very easy. So जिसको depression नहीं भी होना हो, उनको भी it is affecting somewhere and they are also feeling low. तो सभी को थोड़ा बहुत फर्क पड़ ही रहा है. But this is what we need to learn. This is what we need to come out of it. So आज इस वीडियो में मैं I'll talk about astrologically also and general also. I'll talk about कि what precautions we can take, what remedies we can do, very easy remedies we can do to come out of it. Okay, now astrologically अगर बात करूँ तो moon is is a planet that signifies our mind. It rules our mind, our emotions, our feelings. तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में जब लोग डिप्रेशन में जाते हैं या फिर दे फील लो, लॉस्ट एंड लोनली, और दे फील डिप्रेस्ड एंड stress is coming and taking too much out of them. So what is the one thing that is affected that time is the moon planet is getting weak, that is getting affected, that is not going in a right way at that time जब भी डिप्रेशन का फेज आता है. Moon is rules our emotions. So ऐसे लोग उनको क्या होता है, they get very emotional, they get over emotional, they get they feel mood swings. In 5 minutes there's something else, in another 5 minutes there's something else. And when you see that during full moon, you'll see that 15 days of them they're happy, before and after you'll see that they're not that happy. So when new moon is coming they're happy, and when the phase is going on, they're not that happy. So it is because of moon is controlling that energy. It is a feminine energy and it is controlling emotions, feelings, mind. So people are they feel that kind of difficulties, and also such people are they are feeling low, low in energy. And if females, I talk about females, they go through PCOD, hormonal issues, they go through that. So depression is something we can take charge of. It is not a disease that that there is no cure of it. Now astrologically I told you that moon is the planet that takes control of it. Now if you need to identify that it's because of moon, how you identify? You can see that the person who's into depression, जिनको depression हो रहा है, उनकी mother भी, she is also feeling bad or maybe low, she is also depressed, she is also not well, because moon is connected to mother. तो अगर आपका moon is not good, आपकी mother के साथ भी कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा हो रहा होगा which is not healthy, emotionally, physically, mentally. So you'll feel that उनकी mother को भी कुछ ना कुछ हो ही रहा होगा. That's how you can identify. Now I'll just suggest a few easy remedies. It is very general, it is very normal. You can every day you can do. What you need to do is you need to start meditating. जब हम meditation करते हैं तो we take charge of our mind, our feelings, our emotions. We get balanced, we get relaxed, we get calm. So we are able to have that power to take the right call. We are not falling into depression that quickly. So you can start with meditation. Second is you can start drinking more and more water. Water is moon element. It is an element of moon. So when you take more and more water, you will make moon balanced. So you'll feel relaxed, calm. So this is another very easy remedy. You can start taking more and more water. So increasing water intake is also it's again very easy remedy. We all can do it. Third is अभी तो lockdown है, so I won't say कि आप अभी कर सकते हैं, but once it is all over, you can just include coconut water in your diet or in your routine, because again coconut water is again moon element, so it will also helps a lot. Now fourth is improving relationship with your mother. When you improve your relationship with your mother, when you just talk to her, you just ask how she is, how she's doing, how she's keeping, and because many of them जिनका moon is not going good, no, उनको they are not in touch with their mother on regular basis. So increase that, you'll feel better. She'll also feel better. So it will also make a good emotional state, you know. And another thing you can start is during full moon, on the full moon day, जब भी full moon होता है, you can just, it's a full moon, it's a big moon. So you start meditating looking at moon. आप moon को देखिए, Kartak meditation we call it. When you do it, you'll feel really good because it's a full moon day. The moon's energy is on very higher energy that time. So when you do it, that meditation at that time works like anything. So that is also very simple remedy. And then there are many other remedies, but I suggest for depression, meditation, breathing exercises, Anulom Vilom. If you do Anulom Vilom, it regulates your sun and moon both. So these are the basic, everyday routine that you can follow. Water intake, you should intake more and more water. That makes you feel good, clears your skin. Weight loss, many other, health benefits also you can. So these are the very easy things that you can do. Speak to your parents, speak to your close people, your friends. Open up because जो भी लोग डिप्रेस होते हैं या they are not able to open up, उनको वो बात ही नहीं कर पाते हैं. So I suggest open up if you are going through something, if you're feeling bad, low, and depressed. Open up to your own people, if not others. पेरेंट्स से बात करिए, फ्रेंड्स से बात करिए, अपने क्लोज जो भी आप जिनसे भी हैं उनसे बात करिए. And open up, there are solutions for everything in this world. So don't feel bad, don't get depressed. This is not something I will suggest. Nobody should be depressed, happiness we should aim for. For depression, one more remedy I can suggest is if you can worship Lord Krishna, because Lord Krishna is again charge of our mind, our emotions. He controls what we think and what we do. And moon is also we connect with Lord Krishna. So you can pray to him. You can pray for more power, more strength, more courage, more clarity in your thoughts. And there is a mantra also. If you can chant, I just suggest it's Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Okay, so Krishna Mahamantra. So you can chant this. I'll just write in the description box. So this is we call it Krishna Mahamantra. It's easily you can find anywhere Google पे. Otherwise maybe I'll just write it down. तो आप इसको जितना ज़्यादा you can chant, आप सुबह उठ के कर लीजिए, मेडिटेशन में कर लीजिए, शाम को कर लीजिए या सोने से पहले कर लीजिए. The more you do it, you'll feel you get more clarity in your thoughts, in your mind. You'll feel happier, you'll feel satisfied, you'll feel content. And when you start feeling happy, आपको depressed होने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, you'll feel good. So this is another remedy, and yes, that's all I can say. Hope these remedies will work. Start doing those, and I hope this will help. Till then, keep watching, keep sharing, keep liking, do subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Stay safe, stay blessed.